Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are two fasteners securing the housing. Remove the two fasteners securing the air filter housing. Make sure that the fasteners are fully disengaged before removing the old filter. Before the housing can be lifted, slide the tabs out of their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF3588 filter into the housing. Push down on the filter to slide the tabs back into their catch. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.